Oh, brother! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make viral Roblox Rant shorts that actually get views. Currently, Roblox Rants are going absolutely crazy, with channels getting millions of views and millions of subscribers. For example, this channel has got over 1 billion views, as well as over 1 million subscribers. This means he's probably making 5 to 6 figures every single month. Okay, so let's get started. There are 2 main steps to creating a rant video. Step 1 is writing the script for the video. I personally go to ChatGPT or Gemini and ask them to write a 30-second Roblox rant on a random or unique story. AI then generates the prompt for you. Next, copy it and download the app Typecast Lite. Copy it into the speech generator and press generate. Typically, I turn smart emotion on and use the chat voice. Then once it is generated, start a screen recording and record the audio being played. Save this in Photos for now, as we will come back to it later. Okay, so now we are on to the second step of the process. First of all, open YouTube and search for copyright-free Roblox parkour gameplay. Open a video and screen record 30 seconds of it. Next, open CapCut and insert your gameplay screen recording. Then press on the audio extract button and extract the audio from your Typecast Lite screen recording. Then go ahead and increase the speed to 1.5 times and make sure to turn on change audio pitch. This gives the voice a unique Roblox tone. Next, make sure that the gameplay recording is centered and the aspect ratio is set at 9:16. After this, go to captions and import them into your project. Make sure they stand out against the background. Then after this, go to stickers and import from online or CapCut itself some memes and stickers that work well with your prompt. This will engage more viewers who are watching your video. Make sure to center your memes in the middle of the video. Alright, so now we are on to the last stage, which is adding sound. The first step is to go to Sound FX on CapCut and insert some viral sounds like this fine boom in front of every meme. Make sure they don't overwhelm the voice over though. Then finally add some background music. Typically, I go through CapCut and add some piano music in the background. Okay, so now we are done creating the video. All we have to do is export it and upload it to YouTube. I usually add a catchy title, along with a few emojis and hashtags like #Roblox or #Roblox Rants. This method should guarantee you to go viral and allow you to get monetized within the first week if you put the time and effort into your shorts. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to help me out. Leave a like and feel free to comment if you have any questions.